Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are back again with cross prediction, and this time we are checking out two exciting markets that are trending right now. FIFA football markets and League of Legends esports prediction. And in this video, I'll also share my experience because I finally got another successful prediction and I won 100 cross mga tol. So let's talk about how these markets work and why cross prediction makes watching sports and esports even more exciting. So let's get started mga brokies. Let's go! So first, let's talk about the FIFA football market. So football is one of the biggest sports in the world with millions of fans watching every match. So every game brings different questions. So who will win? Which team has better strategy? Can the underdog make a comeback? So with cross prediction, you're not only watching the match, you can also participate by making your own decision. So for my own experience, I studied the match, checked the teams, trusted my analysis, and successfully won 100 cross from my prediction. So ito mga brokies, papakita ko sa inyo guys. Punta tayo sa portfolio natin. So andito yung winning choices natin mga tol. So kung makikita nyo guys, meron tayong 3 panalo and 1 loss mga brokies. So ito mga tol, Brazil versus Norway mga brokies. Nanalo tayo dito guys. Ang pinili natin is yung Norway. Yan, yung pambato nila dito guys is si Haaland mga tol. So mataas yung odds na nakuha natin dito guys. Kaya nanalo tayo dito ng 65 cross mga tol, no? And then yun. Then second choice natin mga tol, Portugal versus Spain. So, ang nangyari dito mga tol, nagtiwala tayo sa may Spain dito guys. So, pumaldo uli, no? Spain yung nanalo. So, natalo dito yung Portugal mga brokies. Yan sila Cristiano Ronaldo, yan sa kasamang palad, natalo sila. And then dito naman guys, Mexico versus England. So, ito guys, medyo dikit yung laban nila dito gawa ng 2-3 yung score kung makikita nyo, no? So, ang pinili natin dito is England. Gawa ng maganda din naman talaga yung stats ng mga player ng England nowadays, no? So, ito. Dito lang tayo medyo natalo mga brokies. Gawa ng, kita nyo guys, tambak mga brokies, no? So, USA ang pinili ko. Pero, yun nga, dapat pala, Belgium guys is talagang malakas na team to. So, kita nyo guys, ang layo ng scoring. 1 out of 4 mga tol. Tambak yung Team USA dito mga brokies. So ayan. So total output ng ating na panalunan guys is 50, 25 plus 28 and we have a loss na 19, no? Or 20 cross mga brokies. So redeem natin to mga brokies. Ayan. So redeeming all mga tol. Kita nyo guys. Redeem all completed. 168 cross lahat yan mga brokies. Let's go, paldo. So next, let's check out another exciting market mga tol, yung League of Legends esport prediction nila dito, no? So for gamers and esports fans, this one is really interesting. So League of Legends is not only about skills, it's about teamwork, strategy, champion drops, and decision making. So before making an esports prediction, here are some things I always check. So first, team performance. So is the team currently dominating? Are they improving every match? Second guys, champion draft. So sometimes the game can already have a big advantage depending on champion picks and team composition. So third, player impact. A single player making the right play at the right moment can completely change the result. And lastly mga brokies, previous match history. So some teams performance better against specific opponents because of their strategy and play style. So that's what makes esports prediction is exciting. Anything can happen, no? So kung makikita nyo dito guys, MSI 2026 winner. So kung mga matches dito mga tol, Lion versus Team Secret, July 8, tomorrow to 11 AM. Bilibili Gaming versus Hanwha Live. G2 Esports versus Talon 1 mga tol. So magpipredict tayo dito guys, Lion versus Team Secret. So dito mga tol, match winner tayo. So pwede kayo dito pumili guys, match winner or game 1 winner. So best of 4 to pala mga brokies, no? Hanggang game 4 sila. So match winner lang tayo dito mga brokies. So Lion versus Team Secret. So i-check natin guys, no, para makakuha kayo ng magandang insight. Check nyo guys, best of 5 pala to. Team Secret Wales, best of 5 mid season invitation playoff. So tingnan natin mga brokies, no. punta tayo dito, i-search natin. Yan, so much better mga tol, mag-research muna tayo mga bro. Okay, so dito mga tol, hanapin natin dito yung team roster mga tol. So ito yung roster nila mga tol sa League of Legends mga tol. Si Taki, si Hero, Ares, and Nguyen Pu, Aumine, and si Yusa. Yan, so ito yung team secret ngayon mga bro na maglalaro sa League of Legends. And then yung roster naman ng kalaban nila guys, yung Lion roster. Check natin. So origin location Mexico, team location United States. So ito yung roster nila mga brokis. So ito yung roster nila dito sa Team Lion mga tol. Yan si Okla Inspired, Saint, Berserker, and si Ailes. So current standing nila. Check natin. Yan, so dito natin makikita guys yung mga roster mga tol. So, dito pala kayo maganda tumingin mga brokis yan. Global Power Rankings mga tol. No? So nangunguna pala mga tol BLG, Lion. So ito sa standing na to mga tol, medyo malayo pala tong Lion dito. Yan, pang 18 sila mga brokis. And then Team Secret is mas mataas yung pointing system nila. So yan. So dito mga tol, ito yung Team Secret. Yan, Team Secret Wales. So maganda yung standing nila mga tol. So feeling ko match winner natin. So piliin natin match winner dito mga tol. Team Secret tayo kaysa dito sa Lion na to. Gawa ng medyo alanganin yung pinakita nila dito mga bro. So Team Secret tayo dito. Pili tayo mga tol. Let's go. Team Secret versus Lion. So mataas yung odds guys ha. Yan, match winner natin Team Secret mga tol. So mas favor yung mga tumataya dito sa Lion mga tol compare sa Team Secret. Yan. So Team Secret tayo mga pro case. Let's say 20. Let's say 10 lang. Team Secret Wales. Bot. So nakabot na tayo ng share. So dito tayo. So tomorrow guys, match winner. Yan, Team Secret. And then pili pa tayo dito guys. Ito mga tol, top 1 guys. Ito. Bilibili Gaming versus Hanwha. Yan. Bilibili Gaming versus Hanwha Live Esports. So dito sa kanilang current standing mga tol, ang nangunguna is Billy Gaming top 1 and then Hanwha Live. So sa pointing system nila mga brokis, yung win and losses is sobrang taas ng Bilibili Gaming guys. So 13 wins and 7 losses lang to. Sa Hanwha naman 20 out of 6. So feeling ko Bilibili Gaming pa rin to mga tol. Match winners natin. Ito tayo guys. So Bilibili Gaming match winner mga tol. Lagay tayo dito ng let's say 15. So, magiging 37 cross yan. Order submitted. And then last but not the least mga tol, G2 Esports versus Tier 1 or Talon 1. So silipin natin mga tol sa kanilang current standing. So G2, so nandito guys Tier 1, number 3 siya mga brokies. Yan. And then itong G2 is current standing is pang number 5 siya mga brokies, no? So 24 halos almost sila pare ng stats, 24 to 23 wins. So meron lang kasi itong 11 losses compared dito sa Tier 1. So feeling ko malakas din itong Tier 1 ngayon mga tol, gawa ng maganda din yung roster nito. So lagay din tayo dito mga brokies. Let's go. 15 tayo sa Tier 1. Tama ba? Hindi. Tier 1 tayo. Tier 1. Yan. Ang taas ng odds oh. Ang taas ng odds guys. Gawa ng favorite siguro to. Team favorite to guys. Ito Tier 1. So lagay lang tayo ng 10. Ay, 1 cross lang mapapanalunan ko. Subukan ko kaya guys no. Ang taas ng odds eh. Lagay lang tayo 5 cross. Yan oh. Kita nyo yung odds. Ang taas. 6 times 6.25 mga tol. Once na makasulot tong G2 dito sa Tier 1. Feeling ko ano to. Fan favorite tong team na to. Yan, yung T1 na yan. So, dito tayo sa G2 pare, malay nyo makasulot to dito sa T1. So, 5 lang, magiging 31 yun guys, once na manalo. So, disclaimer na lang din mga bro guys, this video is for entertainment and educational purposes only. Prediction markets involve risk and winning is never guaranteed. So, my results including any rewards or cross earned are based on my own experience and do not guarantee the same outcome for everyone mga tol. So, always do your own research, understand the risk, and make responsible decision mga tol. So only participate with what you can afford to risk and enjoy the experience, stay informed, and predict responsibly. So yun lang guys. Thank you for watching. Let's go!